So here's the situation, guys. For a 2 week period, I did not wear my hair in its natural, curly, kinky self. Okay, I did not wear it in the normal way that I wear it in a wash and go. And the first week of that, I was wearing a twist and a twist out. And then the second week of that, I was wearing my hair stretched, which then I put into like a bun type hairstyle. And if you wear wash and goes, you know that that first wash and go after you style your hair other ways is almost always trash. Okay. So I felt like that would be a perfect opportunity, a perfect chance to try the Ajuva Beauty Blue Tansy line, because the whole concept behind it is strengthen and repair. And so from that line, I decided to pick up the clarifying shampoo because it so happened to be the time that I would normally clarify, and I needed a new clarifying shampoo anyway. I also have the rinse out conditioner from this line. And then the final thing I picked up was the mask. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's see if I can make something of this first wash and go after not wearing my hair in a wash and go for 2 weeks. This video is sponsored by Ana Luisa, an eco-conscious, sustainable jewelry brand. Their whole motto and their whole philosophy is that you don't have to treat the planet unkindly to have high quality jewelry. Their jewelry pieces are eye-catching just enough to have interest, but they don't, but you can pretty much put them on with any outfit. And so that being said, I have a couple of pieces that they were kind enough to send over that I want to quickly share with you guys. The first thing is the Rope Slim ring. This is a size 6. My actual wedding ring size is a 5.5, and they don't have half sizes, but the 6 works just fine. I picked the Rope Slim ring because it reminds me of these little rope earrings I used to wear as a little girl. My mom said she used to wear the rope earrings, and y'all, Ana Luisa actually sells those same little rope earrings. I might have to go back and pick up some earrings to match my ring, but like I said, it's simple and I can wear it any day with anything. And then I picked up a bracelet. I've been wanting to get into wear more like dainty bracelets, and also most of my bracelets are like bangle style, or they are silver. And so I want to pick up something different. And so this is the Rowena bracelet. And what makes this really unique, guys, is these little tiny flowers on it. This is the 6-inch size, and I also have it fastened on the very last loop, but it has several loops so you can fit your wrist better, because I have really tiny wrists, but if yours are even smaller than mine, or maybe if you want to fit it on a child, you got options, okay? But the piece that they sent me that I lost my mind over is this Mara Onyx ring. This ring, combined with my matte black nails, is giving witch vibes. It is giving Barnabas Collins from Dark Shadows. This ring is everything. It is spooky season. It is Halloween. When I look on the website, it doesn't seem to me like this ring is going to be around for very long. So definitely make sure you visit the link in the description box to go and check it out. And also, you guys get a 10% off discount code either by using my link in the description box or typing in the code WhatTheKink10 for 10% off. I love these pieces, and I know that you will love them too. With that said, let's get into today's video.
Let's start off with the Blue Tansy Clarifying Shampoo. The first 5 ingredients of this shampoo are water, sodium C1416 olefin sulfonate, cocamidopropylbetaine, diesel glucoside, and glycerin. Of the 5 things that I just listed, 3 of them are cleansers. And the second one from the top, being C14, C16 olefin sulfonate, is an extremely strong sulfate-free cleanser. This is the same cleanser that is found in my staple clarifying shampoo. So I had no doubt in my mind that this was going to clean my hair like never before. Okay, I was sure of that. Let's talk about the scent of this particular product. And actually, it's the scent for the entire line because all of the products have the same scent. This scent reminds me of a perfume gift set, but they're not the perfume. These products are like the lotion from the gift set. I think because they don't have that like strong alcoholness that perfume can sometimes get. And I think that's why I'm perceiving them to smell like the lotion. But anyways, I felt like this shampoo had a lot of lather, especially when I started to drag it down my hair. And I felt that I could almost detangle my hair with this. Not that I'm telling you to get out the comb and start detangling with a shampoo, but you could probably do that. Upon rinse, I felt that this shampoo left a very, man, how do I describe it? Like a glossy feel to my hair. It didn't feel like coated or waxy or anything, but the hair was definitely just glossy is no other way to explain it. And I did feel that my hair was fairly clean as well. Now let's move over to the Blue Tansy Reparative Mask. As you can see, she is thick, okay? Super thick. And it was also thick when I was putting it into my hair. I found that this product, even with the way that I apply conditioner, and you guys know the way I apply conditioner, I put water all up and through my hair as I'm applying, put more product back on top of the water, and I tend to get pretty good coverage over my hair while not using a ton of product. Also, previous experience with the Ajwa Beauty products from their other line, you don't need a lot of product to get good coverage and good slip. So after doing this, I'm going to have this mask for like 3,000 years because I barely scraped the surface of it. Meanwhile, getting what I felt to be pretty decent coverage. Now, let's talk about the first 5 ingredients in this. Those ingredients are water, bihydramonium methosulfate, cetyl alcohol, shea butter, and cetyl alcohol. And unlike the original Ajwa Beauty mask where shea butter is ingredient number 2 and coconut oil is ingredient number 3, and you basically cannot detect that they are in the product, okay? That is how whipped, how excellent that product is. I feel like with this mask, you can tell that the shea butter is there. I could feel it in the thickness of the product, and I could also feel it in how it was spreading even with water and all that, and I could feel it in how I'm detangling my hair in these clips. As you can see, my fingers are getting through. I am able to brush my hair as well, but I think most of that is due to the thickness of the product kind of weighing my hair down and making it easier to detangle, if that makes any sense at all, y'all. You know what I mean? And then as I rinsed my hair, my hair was not frizzy or poofy because yes, I have rinsed products and had frizzy or poofy hair, and my hair was not squeaky either because I've done that before as well. But it did feel like there was a little bit of like a coating on my hair, just a little bit. And so I will probably not repurchase this after I finish it, in favor of the regular conditioner that is in this line, and also in favor of Ajwa Beauty's other deep conditioner. Now it's time for the Blue Tansy Reparative Conditioner. This is more of an instant rinse out type conditioner situation. The first 5 ingredients of this are water, glycerin, stearyl alcohol, cetyl alcohol, and polysorbate 60. So these are kind of more of your typical conditioner type ingredients. Of course, shea butter is in here, but it is much further down, and there is avocado oil and jojoba oil, and of course the Blue Tansy, because you got to have that in there. So Ajwa Beauty returns to their original magic with this one, because though it does have all of these oils and shea butter and stuff like that, you cannot detect it in the product. Like, you just don't even know that it's there, honey. This product spread very easily through my hair because it is more of like that thin lotion type texture. It reacted very well with water. You can just see the coverage of this compared to the coverage of the mask in my hair. My hair just looks wetter, and I'm telling you guys, both of these were filmed right after shampooing my hair. Like, I didn't go anywhere or step out of the shower or anything like that. Now the slip on this, as you can imagine, it has much greater slip. I was able to just run my fingers through my hair and then later run my brush through my hair. So this is much more in line with the type of product that I would typically use on wash day. And I'm actually quite impressed because, you know, I've never tried this type of product from Ajwa Beauty because in the first line that they had, they didn't have a rinse out conditioner. They didn't, you know. I do want to make one point though about the shampoo and conditioner. Y'all see them sitting up there on the counter. Okay. They look exactly alike. So I kind of wish that with this line, Ajwa Beauty did like some lines do with their shampoo and conditioner, and they made the shampoo and conditioner maybe have like different colored caps or something. So like maybe one of them have a blue cap and then the other one have maybe like a bluish white cap that's like slightly lighter or something, so that you can tell the difference between the shampoo and conditioner without having to read the labels or place them a certain place. That's what I was doing. I was placing them in certain places so that I could be able to tell the difference between the two. But other than that, I would say my preferred product from this line, I feel like the shampoo was really great. And then second in line is this rinse out conditioner. I really like that as well. And I probably will purchase them again in the future. I feel like the clarifying shampoo is almost like a stand-in for my regular clarifying shampoo because they are very similar in performance and similar in formulation. The only thing is that the Ajwa clarifying shampoo gives me that glossy hair that my regular shampoo does not give me. And I want you guys to see this rinse out on here. My hair is going to come out pretty glossy on the rinse out with the conditioner as well. Mortimer, we're back, if I do say so myself. So this is my styled hair after everything is all said and done. Yes, I got a little speck on my head. I don't know what happened there, but I believe that my curls have been restored.
Once again, I want to give a shout out to the sponsor for this video, Ana Luisa. Remember that you can check the description box for a 10% off code using my name, WhatTheKink10, or just clicking the What the Kink link that's in the description box. Didn't mean to rhyme, but I did anyway. And if you enjoyed this Ajwa Beauty wash day, guys, I got other Ajwa Beauty content. I'm going to link a video here and a video here so you can get your Ajwa Beauty life. Subscribe. I post videos every week, and I'll talk to you in the next one.